ranging in size from the tiny piculet, which measures less than 3 inches from tip to tail, to the pileated and great slaty woodpeckers, which measure up to 20 inches in length. The size of these distinctive birds varies significantly. A woodpecker's tongue is typically twice the length of its beak, able to reach into crevices for insects. The bird's tongue or its saliva is sticky, too, so it can cling to its prey. The woodpecker's tongue wraps around the back of its head between the tissue and the bone, acting as a shock absorber when the bird is drumming. Woodpeckers are birds with feathers on their noses that keep wood debris out of the bird's nostrils while it is boring holes.